she likes that. Again, the pack doesn't. That thing is flapping like a bugger. Oh God, no, I'm going to be pulled over here. Woo, aren't we lucky? And I was going to go herring around this corner, but a nice white Porsche slowed down in front of me, and it's because these guys are doing a blitz. That's what we call a ghost car over here. All blacked out. And he's caught a minivan for speeding. So that's the bad news out of the way. Not too bad for us, of course, because while they're busy writing tickets for perfectly harmless people in minivans, we're safe. Blew a stop sign.
Hello.
Hello.
So the just the non-stop at the intersection. That's why I'm out here. So that's why I'm stopping you, just so you know.
Okay.
So the zero stop, which if your GoPro's on, you can probably review your video there. Do you have your driver's license?
Oh, sorry. That wasn't a bribe. It was actually trying to get my driver's license up.
Okay, I can't take credit anyway.
Okay, thank you. Fair dues. I did roll across it. Naughty. Saw him earlier too. So I wonder what that'll be. I love the expressions on people's faces. Oh good, a motorcyclist has been pulled over. Goody goody. So what is that? It's going to be, I'm guessing this will be a $125 fine, which is equivalent to British road tax, £80. Ah, that's right. Do the speed limit. So fair dues. I'm hoping my immaculate license, I know. Really? Yeah, immaculate. I'm hoping my immaculate license will actually do me a favor here and get off with a warning, but I doubt it. He looked fairly, he's been here for hours now handing tickets out, so slow down. I'd like to wave you down, but such is life. Got the nod. Sorry, buddy. Do. This could be another. Thank you.
I see, I think the last one you had was actually the same, I don't know if it's the same situation, but same ticket. It's actually cheaper than the fail to stop sign, so you're getting a bit of a discount. It's $46 cheaper than the fail to stop, and the stop sign is called fail to traffic control device, which is the last thing you received in the last 5 years, so this won't affect your insurance.
Okay.
Unless you were to get, say, a couple, like 3 more of these, you know, in a calendar year, then ICBC. Basically 6 points is kind of what we've been told, and this is only 2 points.
This is how many?
2.
2? Okay.
Yep. So you're well within your...
And then 6 points is the limit?
That's what they've told us, so 6 points.
Not that that's my target, but...
Yeah, exactly. Above 6 points is when they would say, have a terminated high risk, you know, driver or whatever, then they start to look at maybe insurance premium increases.
Oh, okay, so they would lose, I would lose my 43%. Is that...
You would lose some sort of discount.
Okay.
Sure.
This won't affect my 43% though?
Not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So you sign there to say you understand. You can pay at the, if it's paid within 30 days, it drops down another $25, so it goes down to $96.
Okay.
And you can pay at the Coastal Credit or Coastal Community Credit Union in Parksville, or you can mail it in, or if you go to Nanaimo, you can pay any place that takes payments in Nanaimo.
Okay.
Have you sign there?
Okie doke.
Has the alleged offender, and I'll give you a copy.
Well, I'll be fair, it's not alleged.
Yeah, it's okay. So it's only, I've been out here all day, it's just non-stop, so I'm just trying to calm it down a bit.
All right.
That's all it is, so I'll let you carry on.
Thank you. Thank you, did I say that? Well, you caught it here first, folks. Busted. And off we go. He's somewhere ahead. I had seen him before and had absolutely no excuse. Still, pleasant enough. 5 years ago, apparently, I did the same thing somewhere, and he decided not to let me off, but he gave me the lower ticket. So, 96 bucks, not too bad. I guess I'll live with it. What am I doing right now? 60 and a 50. Sheesh. Gonna slow down here a bit. No, that's not him. He's all blacked out. I've got a few suggestions for where he could do it that would make a difference, but, well, probably a bit cheeky if I was to do that, wouldn't it? Just doing his job. Fair enough. I knew he was here too. I'd seen him, as you know, coming up the hill several hours ago. You just don't expect a cop to be traversing the same stretch of road for 3 hours. Oh, I just want to hammer it around this corner, but you know, he could be anywhere here, pulling someone over. It could have been far worse. He could have caught me on some of the stretches back there where I was doing substantially more than the speed limit, let's say. Oh, this is him, isn't it? Yeah, this is him. Please don't do it. Oh, that's him. Jeez, that was close. He's just hammering the same one there. Whoa, that was lucky because I was doing 80 and 50 there. He didn't stop me. Nice man. Well, you know what? I think I'm safe now. Watch another cruiser come around the corner. Oh, I had to christen the bike. Bike was christened. I've got to review the video. I mean, what was I actually doing? 2 miles an hour across there? I guess I just didn't actually come to a complete stop, but it was slow enough for me to see stuff. I saw him, just didn't think he was the copper. Should have looked closer. Saw the vehicle. Whoops. I think I said when I did this review that one of the things you'd have to be careful of was the fact that the bike is just so tempting, and it's going to be tough to ride it and stay legal. And although I wasn't speeding, I was done for it quite easily, could have been. Nevertheless, sage lesson. $96 if I get it paid ASAP. Maybe we'll just keep it nice and quiet. We'll keep it on the QT. No one has to know, do they?
Once again, thanks for watching, everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.